Yes. Hello, everyone. First, I would like to congratulate Dr. Poorani on her book launch. Very happy birthday to Shushma ma'am, and congratulations to all the other life masteries. Well, my journey, I would say, life mastery, it was an inspiring and wonderful journey for the but for the 5 weeks. And it's just not finishing in the 5 weeks, it just moves on throughout your life. So we've had like insights throughout the course, whether it's self-mastery or emotional or wealth or spiritual. So what I realized was I got these insights about why certain things happened in my life, why it is happening now, and as a result of realizing those things, how it will change in the future. So this is what I learned in this course, and it was a very nice experience getting all those realizations, since we never really think about what happened in our life. We just think about the future. So what I realized was when we change our beliefs and thoughts about the past and present, the future will take care of itself. Wow. So, and for giving me that realization, I should thank Dr. Poorani. She was very amazing in delivering what she told us, and she delivered more than what she told us. So thank you, Dr. Poorani, for everything. Wonderful. And yeah, actually, one thing that I really liked about the project, the community project that we did, I really didn't think that in a few days we would be able to collect so much. And actually, so what realization there was, when we put our heart into something, when we truly want to help somebody, or when we want to help ourselves, so there we are going to see a change. So that was the realization there, and thank you for that.